Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your server's name on Discord mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my Discord application on my mobile phone and I'm going to open my server. So this is my server and I'm going to open it, and you can tap on your server's name, this one, and you're going to go to the settings right here and then select the overview. Okay, and here you will be able to change your server name, and I'm just going to name it like this, and then you are going to click on save to save the change. Okay, and now my server's name has been changed and I'm going to check it guys. As you can see, now it has been changed. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change server name on Discord mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.